Round 2. Round 1, there was a bit of an audio delay. Don't shoot me, please.
Yeah. Okay, Samantha.
Really? Alright, so apparently, the first 4-minute video, please stop aiming at me.
I can't stop you getting me, remember?
Yeah, whatever. The first video worked pretty well. The second one, that was about 22 minutes long, maybe 26 maybe, did not work at all, which means I can't hear anything that we were saying or so forth, so to speak.
But I won.
Yeah, he won. Still can't believe you shot me in the cheek with a dart shooter. But now the rules are a little bit different. Instead of having all these guns, we decided to take out the jolts, because my jolt was not working completely correct. So we're going to start out...
Taking out the ballistic knives.
Yeah, and also, I'm going to add this rule. You have to, when we get to the last class, which is the ballistic knife and ballistic dart shooter, and this one's all right.
Yeah.
All right, I'm back. So like I was saying, the ballistic dart shooter right over there. If we have, if either one of us or both of us are at the ballistic dart shooter, they have a choice of charging at the enemy, one of us, or their opponent or whatever. Say like Matt has the ballistic knife, he can charge at me with it, or he can shoot the darts, but he'll have to get 3 hits on the ballistic dart shooter. And the regular knife, you have to slash once in the chest, once at the neck or head level.
Yes.
But you can't do it all at once. So that's another thing I just said. Hey, what are you doing?
Changing these back. I've got you in
I don't even know that one works. Alright, whatever. So, like I said, we're going to start off with the Eliminators, then the Strike Fires, the Arizona Panther, Busby Rogue, Barrel Break, the Long Shot, which is not here, it's actually on the couch, the Crossbow / Bow and Arrow, and then the Ballistic Dart Shooter. I will be stopping the camera, like, every now and then. Like, if I get into cover, I'm going to take it off, look at the camera, and put it back on. Sorry if that will ruin the film, but it's either that or you get no sound in your video. So, sorry about that. Oh, that's right, I have to bring 2 more whistlers.
No, that's fine.
What if I just shared one of mine to make it 7?
Fine. You share 1, I share 1.
I share 1, I lose 1, you get 1. Simple as that. Alright, so before I had this off camera, but I'm going to say it again. I'm going to stop every 10 minutes doing this, looking at the time, and then put it back right back on. I may do it in front of him while he's shooting at me, or I might just do it while he's reloading, whatever the case is. And also remember, we are taking out the jolts because the one of them does not work, and that's probably the reason why he won. So
You don't know that you're not
yeah, I know. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! God dang it!
Oh yeah, too quick.
What?
Too quick, I'm like...
Oh.
Man.
Peekaboo. Oh, dang it, hit the camera. Hit. Oh, wait, no, I'm still stuck in my gun. Whoopsie. Why am I going back?
You know what,
Start to suck.
Hey.
Thank you. What?
You hit me with the...
Ah, hit. Logan Huggins.
No, my name's Namdrake.
Namdrake, whatever.
Well, I'm sure somebody cares.
Miss. Oh, jeez. Oh, my nose! Out of all the places. Hit.
Wait, that was a miss?
That was a hit.
Oh.
You hit me in the nose.
Headshot. Extra points.
Forget it, that part.
I am a good shot, man. You got to admit that. Where did I receive my training? In the President of the United States.
Oh. I'm gonna get you met. God dang it. I'm not gonna lose this one. Hit.
Hit.
Thank you. I'm back to my crappy old gun. Dang it, hit!
Can't be the marksman, Sam.
You didn't say you were a marksman.
I know you never said it, but I didn't say you didn't have to either.
Why me? Ah! I wasn't even ready for that one.
Well, it's time for the knife. It's just I can't charge with it. It seems like you're on a gun that needs something.
Oh, God. Oh, God, my heart's pumping.
Who do you think's gonna win this one, Sam?
Oh, God. Oh, God.
I think he will help you.
I'm shaking, literally shaking. Oh, God. Get it! I got you.
I still you too.
You gotta go back, remember.
Fired first though. I still hit you.
Alright, I got 2 shots. Oh, God. Heart's pumping. Oh, my heart is pounding like it's a trumpet player playing a trumpet. Which makes no sense, but whatever. Put up with your hands! Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Grab a dart, quick! Yes!
Nearly hit me though.
Shit. Come at me, bro. I just see this. Boop. Oh man, that was funny. Oh man. Okay, so it was like 3 shots with a dart shooter and 2 knives with a knife, right?
No.
What?
There was 1 shot with a dart shooter and it was 2 hits with the knife.
No, like 3 shots total.
Oh. No, actually I thought it was just differed.
It deferred because
I'm too good.
no. I'm saying our dart shooters don't go really that far. And that means that the knife is more effective. Oh crap. But ow! God dang it! I need a 4-barrel person thing.
Tell them to make it a Nerf.
Oh my god, my heart's pounding!
Missed, almost hit.
I was standing on something, I still couldn't shoot. Oh my god. Careful. You don't want to mess with a guy with a shotgun. Miss! Oh crap! Oh crap! I hate this so much! My heart's pounding! Thank you. Get back to your position. If I can put the clip in. Oh, this is giving me heart attacks. Oh, come on. What are you doing?
I built this wrong. It's too close. Ow. What's the barrier?
What barrier?
The barrier. Where is it?
The shoes are.
Okay.
Well, it doesn't matter because you already have a knife. I might be able to win this one.
You might.
Bonk. Oh shit. I have it. I can't put the dart in. There you go. Thank you. Face it, Benjamin 563 or whatever your numbers are.
5'6".
5'6", whatever. You are going down today, and I'm not going down without a fight. What are you drinking? That's not a grenade. You just failed.
Use it as a grenade. It was a distraction. Look up, by the way.
What?
Look up.
What?
Look up.
I'm looking up, and I know what you were doing. Wait a minute, these are long-range darts. I could just stand back here and get more time. Give me that. Boom.
Fire.
Boom. Hang on, hang on. One, two, three. I got you.
Actually, wait, remember how I shot you twice with the one thing? I just hit you once?
It's a tie then.
No.
I hit you as soon
I
as you.
know, but no, I mean, I hit you first because... Okay, wait. Come here.
Oh my god. What did you just say to me?
I haven't played Nerf in years, and I'm already ahead of you. I'm better. It was funny.
My Gatorade was right here the entire time. I thought you stole it from me. I'm like, how could you steal my Gatorade? Oh, it's right here in front of me. Wow, I feel like a complete idiot. I don't know.
Gatorade at home, but I don't like grape.
You hate grape? Why?
Because I drank it too much. That kind of addicted. Well, not really addicted, but yeah, kind of hooked on it.
Like a druggie gets hooked on cocaine or something?
I could quit my drugs, can't theirs. Their problem.
Alright, so we believe it was a tie, or maybe it was a split second. Matt Benjamin won.
No, it was a tie. Let's call it a tie, Sam. Then that way you don't get left out.
You're saying that I couldn't handle myself in the real world?
No, I never said that, but I never said I didn't think it.
Ow, hey! I'm fragile, you know.
I didn't know that. I thought you could beat the crap out of anybody in school. That's why you beat you up for half a year.
What?
So I thought you beat up some kid in school. So I kicked you up for half a year.